martial arts, and today we are going to talk about vegetable garden. This is tomatoes plantation. This is from seeds. Obviously everything is from seeds. So this is tomatoes. This is dudhi meaning bottle gourd. This is methi from fenugreek seeds. This is sweet basil, which is again from small seeds. This is gawar. Gawar is another type of beans. This is eggplant, and all these are from again seeds. The coriander, small plants. They are ready to go outside as they will be surviving. There is a nice temperature now, about 60 to 65, so they will be able to survive, and they are big enough to survive the nature. We started this from March, and they will grow properly by June end and start giving the produce by July. And generally for northeast it will go on till September end, I guess. Yeah. So enjoy, have a good time vegetable gardening. And parwal, but somehow I didn't get any luck with the plants. I see one of the plant came out, but something didn't suit it, so it's not happening. But I think I have enough to grow this year. From the vegetable plants, we are growing a lot of nice flower beds. I like them in the pot because I can move and mix and match. So we did a lot of hard work planting them, and they are ready for the season. My hanging pots, couple of here, some of them are there. Being it's quarantine, we have to make our home beautiful, and not necessarily during quarantine, every time actually, every season. So enjoy the vegetable and flower gardening. Happy spring, happy summer 2020.